Yeah, what's up guys, back with another video here, and today I just made a new outfit with the glitch that I told you how to make with the rebreather and the hat, right? So I just put on some leather pants, white short leather pants, and some in a sports jacket, scroll all the way down, and then you see this black one. Yeah, and stuff like that. I ain't gonna make it again, cause you know what I'm saying. So I got this KSG car. I put the sign right there because I'm in KSG. You know what I'm saying? Whole like gang. Yeah, it got the red underglow, blood gang, all of that stuff and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, right now I'm just doing something. Bro, join my session. What you doing? Join my session. It's only. I can see it real quick. I can see it. Yeah, it's only one person in there, which is me. Join me. in a job and you never told me? Oh my god. I think I'll be in session, bro. Yeah, I'm in session. I'm coming to you, bro. I'm using my flying bike. Oh, you over here. Now let me get in. Let me get in. Let me get in. I don't want that blade to kill me. Are you stupid or not? fuck y'all niggas. Nigga. Oh, this is all on it. It's on it. Freaky Friday. Friday. Oh, it's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Christmas body. Rabbits so bright red. I like to see it black.
I woke up and I'm real dick. This shit is real weird. How the dick stand perched up on his balls like that? Walking down the street and ain't nobody know my name. Ain't no paparazzi flashing pictures, this is great. Ain't nobody judging cause I'm black or my controversial past.
Yeah, you see my gun? Yeah, I look fresh, bro. It's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. It's our body.
Twitter, fuck. Now I'm at the club, I told my way to get it in. I look up in the VIP, I think this guy I am. I signal to him, let me in, but he won't let me in. I don't know who that is. Who the fuck you think he is? To the snap, bottle shattering on the bouncer's head. Welcome to that motherfucker. Take it to voice set. If you heard me, then you won't be hurting yourself. Oh wait, I love myself. That was the key, now we put your back. I woke up in Christmas body. So how this shit turned into Freaky Friday.
Give me my bike. Give me my bike. That's what you get. My bike. He said. This is my bike. Bro, stop! My freaking God, bro. Nah, he just say cause he has, cause I have it and he doesn't. Hey. No dogs at the night time. Trap, pop. Big old booty, but the world fly. Which is like a surfer. Stupid. Don't ever play with me. Oh. Amber Rose. That's what my dog said the night time. Yeah. In the kitchen we cooking like a stir fry. In the kitchen we twisting like a stir fry. In the kitchen we twisting like a stir fry. Bro, join it. Join my ring fight, bro. Join it. I'm in Chris Brown's body. Ooh. No jumping. If you're on my team, no jumping. If you're on his team, no jumping.
me. I was up jumping early in the morning. Ooh, on the way like a do-rag. Pussy nigga calling for his new bag. Go walk Gucci on my shoe rack. Woke up in the house when I ran into the plug. Till I ran into the mud. I done ran into some rack. I done ran into your club. Why the plug show me love? I done came up with dub.
Pub walk. Nah, let him get up. Let him get up. Let him get up. Let him get up. Nah, bro, that's not fair. It's my turn. It's my turn. Why you running? Why you running, bitch? Why you running? Ever use me with brass knuckles? Better lie, baby, that like I die. We don't be expecting shit on the side. He got brass, bro. Since he got brass, I got brass. I had brass in the beginning. I had brass in the beginning. You and you. On the side, oh damn, fucking dog, we gon' see the rebound. On the side, we just die. On the other side, we just had it like I die. Hey, new freezer. Staked up. Wanna be, ooh. I don't need, ooh. Pull the shot top with the eater, ooh. 2-seater, yo, man, whatever about AP. New freezer, I wanna check in my best. Yeah! 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 Check out my best. Use your brass, bro. Use your brass, bro. Use your brass. Trophy. Ever hit me with your brass? I don't need it. Put you on top of the eater. 2-seater. Alright. I don't need it. Oh, pull shots out with eater. 2-seaters. down. Got my guac, got my guac. Can I stop, bubbity, bubbity? Wait, stay down. Drop top, you drop. Bro, I can't drop you gun. It doesn't work like that in this match. I can't drop you gun.
So I'm pretty torn between the General Tso's chicken and the chicken lo mein. What is your preference between the two? Yes. Okay, I will get the chicken lo mein then. Okay, thank you. There you go.
Boy!
Thank you.
Big Shacks.
No way. Are you Little Dicky? Yeah, how are you? Oh, you actually Little Dicky? Yeah. Oh my god, dude, I love your shit. This is Little Dicky. He's like one of my favorite rappers. You're a rapper? Yeah. No, he's like a rapper. He's like, fuck that. He raps about it. Oh. That's from always Dicky.
That's what you get for trying to chop me, idiot.
He's funny about it. Everyone says that. Everyone's always like, I'm like, no, he's not. Okay. Super funny. Thank you. I put so many of my boys on your deck, dude. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Dude, everybody else in hip hop is so much cooler than me. People are so good at dancing, or they've got like the sickest tattoos. Sometimes I really wish I could be somebody else.
They don't get wrong, I understand. They know that. But it's stressful, man. I'm always freaking out. Wish I could kind of like be somebody else for a day, you know?
Sometimes I really wish I could be somebody else. Wish I could be somebody else for a day, you know? And on that day, me and Chris Brown would change bodies.
Ooh. Tattoos of a dick. What's good, bro? Hey, what's up, guys? But I'm just doing a broadcast and playing GTA with Wolfie. Boy, stay down. If you want to play GTA, won't be just join my session, bro. Cause there's only 2 minutes left. I bet you can wait 2 minutes. Boy. I'm gonna see Freaky Friday. Freaky Friday. Oh yeah, he just rage quit. You could join now. Chris Bell's body, and then that Freaky Friday. Alright, join my session now.
What's the name of your YouTube channel? Check.
That was funny. That was funny when she said she got a vagina. Of course she got a vagina. She's a girl, boy. Body energy, boy. I'm Chris Brown's body. Nah, bro, you don't have to like ask me for my name. You see when you're in a party, right? Just click on me and you see watch broadcast. When you press that, then you can easily just see it. And then you'll see my name on YouTube, bro. You don't gotta do all of that, bro. Alright, you finna stop. Stop! Wolfie, I'm done not playing with you, bro.
I'm gonna go to my other account.
But who said that?
Me and DJ.
Oh. Wait, weren't you the guy that asked me what's my YouTube name?
Yes,
Are you watching my broadcast now?
I'm gonna try to.
Where the frick is this dude Wolfie at? He's scared of me. He literally just like he didn't leave. No, he how can I put this in a nice way? Hold up, you're spectating Supreme?
I'm back. Now I'm on Wilder now.
Hold up, he said that he's in the middle of the match. Bro, that's me in the middle of the match. The one with the oh. Nah, I don't want to see him. Wolfie, come fight me. Oh, Choppy. Oh, Choppy. Choppy. Wow, with the mom, Paula, check on me and lead up. It's freaky body. It's got. Oh, he's gonna kill me. Oh, Choppy, he wasn't gonna kill me, bro. He wasn't gonna kill me. I was literally at half health. Half 10 inches health down, bro. Well, that doesn't make sense, so let me see your stop. I wasn't dead. I wasn't about to die. That's what I meant to say. I tricked you. So I could chop you.
I'm gonna send you a friend request on Wilder.
Bro, Wolfie, why are you running? Oh my god.
Okay, I sent you a friend request.
Hold up, nah, Wolfie, stop killing me, bro. I'm accepting this friend request. Alright, now. Oh, he's about to kill me! No! I gotta get out of here! Let's go!
Wow.
Hell no, I'm out. Ooh. No! 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 He's actually about to kill me! Oh, let's go. I chopped him before he killed me. Oh, look. Everybody's playing GTA in this party. Good, because I'm about to... after this match, everybody's going to join and we're going to just start it up. Because it's only 2 minutes and 45 seconds in here, so you can wait that much. It's only 2 minutes. I made him stumble 2 times. Supreme, you didn't see me fall just now. You didn't see him make me fall just now. Wolfie is dead, running away from me. Bro, if you spectating me right now, bro, Wolfie is actually running away from me. No, I'm about to die. No! That was a big fat chop. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body. Wolfie, I'm over here. I'm in the ring. Go to the ring, Wolfie. This is my brother's song. He made it. Dry water. Mom?
Yeah.
Hi. Mom, why is your man's song not on YouTube? Well, I can't connect it to the boombox. I can't connect it to the boombox. And if I do it on YouTube, then I'll go to switch it here and it'll play.
What time you got back?
3:36.
Oh, okay.
3:36. Mom, I love that box. Look how it looks right here. Y'all could join now. Wolfie, don't leave. Don't leave, Wolfie. You left anyway. Y'all not listening to that. Alright, y'all could join now. People from the party could join now. I'm gonna invite y'all. I invited you guys. Did you get it? Did you get it? I invited you guys.
I need an invite to join.
It said that I invited you.
Now I just got it.
Alright. Supreme, join. And Jay, join. Supreme and Jay, join. If Wolfie, if you want to join, you can join. I'm in Chris Brown's body. Mom, you know the new song called Freaky Friday?
Yeah, but Chris Brown?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I was playing it. He switched bodies. Bro, Grant, you know how to chop?
Chop?
Yeah.
No.
Press L3 and X. L3 and X. That's how you chop. So L3 you go into stealth mode, and then if you press X, then you could put your hand in their back.
What's that on the floor?
That my pants, I think. Yeah, my jaws.
Those are too short.
Hold up, don't kill me, don't kill me. Now I gotta change my outfit. Stop. Oh my god, I'm changing my outfit. Alright, now I'm done not playing with you. So let me change my outfit. Told you, let me change my outfit. I'm in Chris Brown's body. You see this dude called Derek? He might do the weapon glitch. Yep, he did the weapon glitch. Chris Brown's body. It's Freaky Friday. I gotta put my money in my bank. Derek left. Oh wait, I don't need to use brass knuckles now because he was the only one with brass. I'm here. Excuse me, please me. I don't know, believe me, give me. I'm flexing robbery. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body. Hold up, Supreme. I want to see if I can do it. Jump, jump, jump. Jump. Why you left, bro? Why you left? Supreme didn't leave. Supreme's a man. Supreme, be a man and fight me. Don't run like them. Why did you guys leave? Except for Supreme. Huh? Oh, wait. Why did you leave? Oh! see if I can actually do it. Jump in. I want to see if I can actually do it. Mom, I want fries with chicken.
Hey, you ate a big meal. You know that, right?
Yeah.
You ate up all your food?
Yeah. Not the fries though.
But now you want fries.
This dude's jumping. He's trash. Boy. Response body. And no, I wasn't using brass, so don't blame no stuff on me. Oh, what's up, young prince? What's good, young prince? Can you even hear me? Stop running. Why you can't fight me one-on-one? Because you know you can lose. No, oh. You said the prison mission? What you want me to start up one and invite y'all? Cause I have one myself. I have one myself. So I could just start it up and invite y'all. It's tattoos on my neck. I can sing so well.
What's this?
Oh, that's a chicken about
Why is that over there? Why you never leave it over there, sir?
cause I was using it.
But there's a plug right there.
This?
Give it to me and let me plug it in, because I don't want it there. Because knowing you, you'll leave it right there already. Put it back up there where I got it from. I'll pick up the plug.
Okay. It's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday.
Watch yourself.
It's Friday. I'm in first bounce body. Well, hold up. Supreme, stay right there. Stay right there. Don't move. Don't move. This. Ellie. What? Oh, what? I don't want to do this no more. I'ma join your prison thing. You fix that. Yay. Thank you. Hello. Yeah.
If you want this longer.
Lower. Okay. Can you invite me to the prison break thing? Invite me to it. 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 I'm in his bound. Mommy, can I get Briz?
No, don't get water now. You just had a soda.
I didn't just have that. Alright, I'm joining. I'm in Chris Brown's body. I'm in the ring body. Yo. Loafer. Yo. Yo, what did he tell? Heard you look right up. All the way but a barbarian. What? For real. We did invite you. What are you talking about? We did. I invited you just now. Yo. This is my karaoke box. It lights up. I did invite you, bro. Let me invite you again. Hold up, I'm gonna invite all of y'all. Hold up. I invited you. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body. I'm in the Freaky body. It's Freaky Friday. Hey! I'm in Freaky Friday. I did invite you, bro. What's his name again? Supreme, come on, join. Alright, now you join. Told you I invited you. Stop, don't kick him, Wolfie. Don't kick him. He might be a good player. Don't kick him. I see him with the joggers on, so don't kick him, bro. Don't kick him. Why did you put it from selection? Why would you do that? Ooh. I'm not being the pilot. Just so you know, I'm not being the pilot. So it's either Panda, Supreme, or Wolfie. I'm not being the pilot. 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 Bro, we gotta wear the same thing, bro. We gotta wear the same thing. Put on this, bro. Put on the same mask that I on. Put on the same mask that I have on, bro. Put on the same mask that I have on. Everybody get in my car. Everybody get in my car, cause I have a drop top, but I'm not using it. I'm using the other car. So everybody get in my car, bro. Hold up, is it only 3 people? Come on, ready up, bro. Ready up. Ready up. Ready up. Ready up. Ready. Oh, go to game chat. Bro, get in my car. I told everybody to get in my car. I was in their party. Get in my car, bro. I told him to get in my car, so he might listen. Get in. No, get in. Wolfie, get in. Wolfie, get in. Obey. Oh, you're not listening. Y'all never listen. Alright, I'm coming back for you.
Some more background on the Vagos. Okay. Globalized, multinational, decentralized criminal network. Their principal interest is in drug trafficking, but they've diversified into mid-level distribution, end-user sales, and trafficking other contraband. You get caught with a kilo of coke, they throw the book at you. You're caught with a quart of capybara semen, it's a slap on the wrist. And the market for large endangered rodent ejaculate is lucrative. Most of the Vagos upper management is shot callers, if you like, are already incarcerated here in the States and throughout Central and Latin America. They run the network on cell phones, and it's a relatively flat hierarchy at the top. So if you cut one head off, there's 6 more waiting to bite. Not that I want to dismantle any criminal networks. As you know, I'm a criminal myself. I just like to do my homework. Criminal homework. The prison angle's gonna help us sell our raid on Bolingbroke. It's not something that they
Mom, did you get cotton candy?
authorities believe that they would do.
Oh,
That's all that really matters.
thank you.
Get me? Okay.
Cause I just looked to the side and I see cotton candy, so I think it was yours that you left. Bro, stop shooting. You freaking shot my car. Wow. Wow. Now I can barely even see. Just shoot out the whole thing, bro. Hold up. Hold up. Don't get out the car. Don't get out the car. Get out. Supreme, what are you doing? I'm gonna kick you out. Stop. Now you're not using my car no more. Stop. Get out. Ow. Oh, you play too much. Just get in before we leave you. I'ma leave you. He just put a sticky bomb on my car. He just put a sticky bomb on my car. But I swear, after this, we're gonna play a run and gun, right? And I hope Supreme's not on my team, because I'm gonna body him so much since he put a sticky bomb on my car. Stop shooting. Never listen. And you better take that sticky bomb off my car. Mom, you put a bomb on my car. Yeah, that's what you get. I knew it wouldn't work. Because this car is armored. What are you shooting at? Sorry, Wolfie. Next time we'll be there. I got cotton candy. We started. Don't leave, bro. Can you drive? Nope. I'm not driving. Everybody just get in my car. Just get in my car. He left. Wow. some water juice. It's good, Amber. Mommy. Don't know nothing about that. Don't know nothing about that.
I thought you said you was gonna drink some water.
There's water in it.
Water in it?
That's why it looks like that. A little bit oily. Like I said, juice water. Hmm? Huh? I'm back, boy. I know we talking stuff on the booty. I know we eating stuff on the scooty.
What's up, amigo? You looking for anything special?
Shane didn't want to save you nothing.
No, I was too hungry. I just ate all of it.
You could have saved me a shrimp.
Sorry. Or a lobster.
Yeah, or a leg.
I ate both lobsters. I had two lobster, chicken scampi, chicken. No,
It's like,
Yeah,
all that
shrimp.
stuff.
Well, you had the ultimate feast that came with the lobster,
No.
shrimp, and the crab leg.
No, I had the lobster lovers thing.
Lobster's lover's dream.
Huh?
Lobster's lover's dream.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what he said. Lobster lover's feast. Creole thing.
Yeah, so it had two lobsters, not two lobster legs, like, you know, like
Tail.
the big thing and
Oh no, it's just one lobster tail, but they cut it in half.
No, it's two.
It's two lobster tails?
yeah.
And you ate all of that?
Yeah. With the butter. And I had strips and meat and fries. And broccoli. Oh wait, no, I didn't have broccoli. Oh no, I was with
You have baked
fish.
potato?
Yeah, punch right.
Oh, you
Let me
like
know if
bread?
you need a hand, okay?
I didn't want the big potato. We had the same thing, but he got the crab legs.
It's a lobster. It's lobster mush. It's lobster mush.
Yeah, that's some good stuff.
Oh, it is, man. Lobster's never good. That's something that's only going on.
Tomorrow is not a business day.
Oh. I'm sorry. I thought.
Stop trying to understand to me, Nana, because you keep wanting yourself too fast and it don't work that way.
I got this white one.
This sucks. I'm over here if you need me. Albert? Good choice.
Yo. Give me a second. I got
trying to say something?
When I get the money for it, I'ma just right now.
You see anything you like?
Alright, so
What?
what?
Aka.
Ooh. I freaking bodied that car just now. I'm in Chris Brown's body. Mom, I'm gonna go rinse out my mom. Mom, guess what? I did the craziest thing today. Guess what I did? You saw me the babe, right? I bathed it in cold water. Wait, in cold water. Just put the cold water on, soak up your rag, soak up your soap, and go in the cold water. Oh. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in the cornies. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's bar. Oh, what's up, Pookie? What's up, Neto? Got static, boy. You wanna buddy? You wanna static. What's good, Nardo? Hate that. Somebody's watching a video about marijuana looking boy. Huh? Why? If I get chopped. Oh, dang. I'm about to say, police put me up in there, ain't got nothing to say. And I got a big body but a little face. Shut up every day. What's in it? Neto. You, Neto, you like my outfit? No, it's not. This is not boo-boo. This is clean. This is fresh, bro. Yeah, he right there. Nah, you jumped this time. Aye. Bro, how you don't know how to jump down there? You don't know how to do that? How you don't know how to do that? You in there? If I die. Oh, I killed him. I killed him. Police put me over there. I don't suck. Oh, he's over there, because I couldn't see him on a radar, so I said, where the heck is he? Dang it, I wanted to chop him. Like, you know when people just keep on hitting you, right? And then they turn their back on your... you get him? Did you get him? Let's go. I look lit though. Chop. The chops is real. Quad. How you got quad damage? How you got quad damage? And I'll beat you up and I don't have quad damage. What? One time you make him stumble. What? Oh, I haven't seen you in a long time, bro. What's good? Oh, Mara. Alright, come on my back because I'm about to do it. Yeah, we doing a ring fight. After this, you could join. Bro, I got the weapon glitch. I got the weapon glitch. I got brass. Oh, Mora. Oh, these all that. I was about to say, because I saw that stumble. I saw that stumble when I was on the gray screen. And I was about to say, did you not just top him? Sit down. I wanted to stop. I wanted to team chop. I wanted to team chop. Wait, I forgot to do a team chop. You gotta be right next to the person when he stumbles. Spit. Nah, I couldn't get through the dang thing. I was at low health and he had to kill me. He had to hit me 2 times. Stupid. I stumbled him. I stumbled him, but I should have chopped him. Because that was an easy stumble. Dude, I had brass knuckles, bro. How you saved my life and I killed him? Boy. Yeah, okay. Where is he? Wow. Now he mad because I'm beating him up. But I'm going to send you a screenshot of what he texted me, bro. I'm going to help you. I'm going to help you since you helped me, bro. Jump it, Derek. Jump it like a stupid idiot. Ow! No! Bro, dude. Oh, never mind. What? I helped you. You told me to help you. How you gonna tell me to help you? And I have brass. And you what? So you just gonna let me die? He right there. I see him. He right there where you at. Bro, why you keep on letting me die? Doodle, doodle, doodle. Oh, Nerdo, I got better at chopping. Lag gun chop, boy. Wow. Now let me show you. Let me uh, Ara. That's what he said to me. When he's losing. Who's calling me? I wanted to chop him. Why he had low health? There's only 10. There's only 20. There's only 22 seconds. Block A, block A. Block A. Block A. Bro, how are you a blood A? You got blue hair. Nah, bro. You a crooked. You crooked. Nah, you don't gotta worry about that. In the kitchen with twisted like a stir fry. Dab me, bro, Pookie, like it, cause if you like it, it gives you 50 RP. Boy was static. Hit a boy above a hit a stuck on a stagging. Why you a staggit, bro? Stop being a staggit. I hate about that. Pull up here, yo, blah blah blah. Nah, I'm kicking Derek, cause he wanna keep on calling me names. I'm kicking Derek since he wants to call me names. Kick. Land, why did you leave? Oh wait. Gamehawk, join. Gamehawk, call. Nah. Gamehawk. Why do I have to be on? He looks better. I'm not doing a weapon glitch. I'm changing my outfit. Why are you running? Why are you running? Why was he running? Mona. But I'm not stupid. I could easily just run over here. Nah, bro, nah, don't go in there. Alright, Pookie, you need to stop running, bro. Oh! Yeah. Huh? Ah, bump! He chopped you. Choppy! Bro, why you trip me? Yeah, I got a problem with it. The frick? Why you running? Why you can't stop running? Always gotta run. Yeah. Praise the Lord. We did let you up. What are you talking about? We did let you up. What are you talking about? What? Chavo! Let's go! I'm almost a level 112. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Bro, jump in, what you doing? Chop him! Let's go. I should have did a team chop. I should have did a team chop. Yeah, we're gonna get a team chop once. Hold up, let me just suicide chop you. You wasn't even on the ground. Quiet. Telling lies. I know. We gotta praise. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Wow. Bora! Now why you running now? Praise the Lord. Hold up, Pookie. Let me see if I can chop like that. I'm on a kill streak. Let's go. Alright, you wanna do the weapon glitch? I'ma do it then. Wait, what? What'd you say? Nah, I was talking about the guy that said something about King Curry. What you said about King Curry? Hit you with the Uzi.
Didn't I have some best?
That's because I didn't. Nigga, number 3. Don't forget my fries and my free teas. Bro, I have the weapons, bro. I have the weapons.
Blue box and pouch.
Large number 3s. Don't forget my fries and my free teas. I got him now. Nicky D's, large number 3s. Don't forget my fries and my free teas. I know, but you can't come after him with Mom. Stop scaring me. No, you keep on scaring me. Stop.
would change bodies.
His tattoos on my neck.
I woke up and I'm real dick. Shit is real weak. My dick stand first among the ball. Walking down the street and ain't nobody know my name. Ain't no paparazzi flashing pictures, this is great. Ain't nobody judging. My dick is trending on Twitter. Now I'm in the club and on my way to get it in. I look up in the VIP, my business there I am. I signal to him, let me in, but he won't let me in. Who the fuck you think he is? To the snap, I'm shining it on the Dutchess head. Welcome to that motherfucker. Oh wait, I love myself.
Bro, why you can't get in? I'm all the way over here.
Entering is easy, and winning is life-changing. So I'm pretty torn between the General Tso's chicken and the chicken lo mein. What is your preference between the two? This. Okay, I will get the chicken lo mein then. Chicken lo mein, please. Okay, thank you. Here you go. Thank you. Seems like there's no way. Are you a little picky? Yeah. How are you? Are you actually a little picky? Yeah. Oh my god, dude, I love your shit. Yeah, this is Little Dicky. He's like one of my favorite rappers. Hi. Sometimes I really wish I could be somebody else.
Don't get me wrong, I love my family. You know that. But it's stressful, man. I'm always, wish I could kind of like be somebody else for a day, you know?
Sometimes I really wish I could be somebody else. Be somebody else. Wish I could be somebody else for a day, you know? Somebody else for a day, you know? And on that day, me and Chris Brown would change bodies.
Greedy, what you eating? You already ate yours.
Freak Friday. What's his name again? Wait, y'all playing a ring fight? Y'all playing a ring fight? Nikki V's, large number 3. Don't forget my rise and my teeth. Hold up, is y'all playing a ring fight?
Hey, brother, you wanna like go?
It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body. Bro, I'm not. Yo. Is y'all playing a ring fight? Yes?